Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix a repost option not showing on TikTok. I'm going to be showing you different methods on how you can fix it, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, let me show you how you can actually repost a video. For example, I'm going to repost this video. In order to repost the video, what you can do is you can tap on the share button in the right hand side corner, and as soon as you click on it, you'll be able to find this option in the top left, that is repost. So let's say that if you're unable to find a repost option in other video, so basically it means that the user has turned off their reposting option or disabled their reposting option. So for this case, what you can do is you can simply click on this share button once again, and after that you can download this video. Just click on the save video, and after that you can share it on your account. Now for example, if you're unable to repost for all other videos on TikTok, that might be an issue with the application. You can check for the update. For that, you need to open up your Google Play Store, and then on the search box type in TikTok, and if you see update just next to it, which means that the update is available and you'll need to update the application. After updating the application, you might be able to fix it. Now if you're still unable to fix it, then other thing what you can do is you can long press on your TikTok application, and after that click on this app info icon, and you'll be taken to the app info page. Now click on storage and cache. So you'll need to clear cache as well as clear storage, and after that you need to log in into your account and check for the repost option. Now if none of these seems to be working, then other thing which you can do is you can simply submit a report stating that you are unable to repost a video. So for that, you need to open up your TikTok application once again. In order to submit a report, what you need to do is click on your profile icon, and after that click on this try bar icon, and once you click on try bar icon from the list, click on settings and privacy. After you click on settings and privacy, you'll need to scroll down, and then you need to head towards the section that is support and about. Click on report a problem. So on this interface, you need to select an issue, and after that you'll need to submit a valid reason stating that you're not unable to repost a video. Once you do this, TikTok will look into your matter after 24 hours, and then you might be able to fix it. So those were the method on how you can fix repost option not showing on TikTok. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.